Sam. Goddamn.
What the fuck? Di ka tawa mo doon?
We're gonna dance paligoy-ligoy and starting. Watch us. Don't skip. Oh, tabi-tabi.
Okay.
Ang bango-bango, ang bango-bango, ang bango-bango ng bulaklak.
Bruh. Escape ini.
Right there where they belong. I see the truth.
Wow. Ano po ba ang katotohanan natin?
Ay, ayoko na.
Hello.
Damn, boy!
Wah, grabe no.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Yes. Oh, are you asking me? I'm from the Philippines. How about you?
I'm from Romania, but I live in Norway.
Oh, okay.
Romania.
I have a question.
Okay. You can ask me.
Funny guy.
What?
Do you look like funny guy?
I look like funny guy?
You look funny.
Thank you. I will consider it as a compliment.
Yeah, because I see I see your face. Don't try to laugh.
I'm not used to talking to people from other countries, so yeah.
Oh, really?
Yes. So, do you have any more questions?
No.
Okay. So what now?
I don't know.
We both don't know what to do. Why do you keep on laughing?
I'm shy.
Oh, me too.
Yaway. I'm shy.
You speak Tagalog.
Yes, I speak Tagalog. Bakit po?
I have Filipino friends in school.
Okay. So, what do they keep on saying in Tagalog?
Kamusta ka?
Oh, kamusta ka? It means, how are you? Do you know what mahal kita means?
Mahal din.
Ay, bogod man kayo.
Anong magagawa? Laging natutulala, tuwing lumalapit ka.
Bogod kayo mata.
I knew you would say that.
Where are you right now, by the way?
In the library, I will go home 11:20 and now it's 11:09 I'm here.
Oh, so you're just chilling around? Yeah.
I'm just sitting around and talking with people.
So, we're just gonna look at each other right now?
So if I don't talk, I will just
Yeah, it's okay. I know it gets awkward, but yeah, I'm trying to think of something.
How old are you?
I'm
How old are you?
19.
19, I'm 17.
What? You're 17?
I don't look like 17.
No, I'm just surprised because you're actually younger than me.
Okay, but by the way, I need to go now because I need to go home.
Okay, have a safe trip home. Goodbye.
Bye.
Nice talking. Holy shit! That was a good score, boys.
Oh, mo
Ala, another Pinay.
Okay mo.